Gold, precious metals paring earlier losses after an unexpected drop in January housing starts, but is still on track to snap a 9-day winning streak as bad economic data continues to roll in. Euro-Pacific's Peter Schiff says, bring it on. It's bullish for gold from here. Peter, I know that you tend to be a gold bug, and you constantly say to buy gold, but why specifically now are you hot on the metal after it was, quite frankly, a loser last year?
Well, it was down 1 year out of 13, so gold can't go up every year, but I think it's well poised to have a very big year in 2014. I think the change is that last year, too many people were operating under the delusion that the U.S. economy was actually recovering, that the Fed's policy had worked, they were getting ready to wind down the QE. I think in 2014, people are going to wake up from that delusion. I mean, right now, we're getting a lot of bad economic data.
Yeah.
People are still delusional because they want to blame it on the weather, but it's not the weather. And as the weather, warms up, we're going to run out of excuses.
But Peter,
people are going to realize how weak the economy is, that the Fed is getting ready to crank up the QE, not wind it down. And I think when everybody figures out how wrong they have the U.S. economy, they're going to rush to buy gold.
But bring it to now. And I aim to challenge you on this just because I think that we need to show the other side of this trade, and that is that gold is down today, and it may be snapping that 9-day winning streak because we're waiting on the Fed minutes at the top of the next hour. But isn't the trade here the reason why gold's down $5 heading into this, to the minutes? Isn't it down because we've gotten that weak economic data, and that may lead to the Fed slowing its tapering, and that could strengthen the U.S. dollar and lead to a sell-off in gold?
No,
isn't that the easiest way to put it?
Actually, you got that backwards. If the Fed slows down the taper, that is bearish for the dollar and bullish for gold. But you don't have to try to explain a $5 decline in the price of gold after 9 consecutive up days. I mean, it's barely down. I mean, markets don't go up every single day.
Okay.
So it doesn't have to be an explanation. But, the day isn't even over yet.
Right.
How do you know where gold's going to be at the end of the day?
That's why we have
positive.
you on, Peter. You've got to tell us, because people are very interested in gold at these levels, because if it indeed does return to levels that we saw, highs around $1,800, $1,900 a troy ounce, we're talking about gold on sale at $1,300.
Oh, it is on sale, and it's going a lot higher than $1,900 an ounce. That was just the most recent high. But this bull market has been going on for a long time, and it's got a long way to run, thanks to the policies that we're pursuing here in the United States. Now that you've got Janet Yellen as the Fed chairman, I think she's going to be even more bullish for gold than Bernanke and Greenspan were, and gold did very well under those Fed chairmen, but I think it's poised to do even better now.
Peter, in here, and I'm going to challenge you again, because everybody's interested in talking gold, because most financial advisors do recommend that we keep gold in our portfolio. But give me something.
No, they don't.
No, but make this real.
Most financial advisors laugh at their clients.
Make me understand that you aren't just the consummate gold bull that we all know you as. And is there anything that could happen that would prevent you from holding or buying or accumulating more gold? What would happen? What could the Fed do? What could happen in the economy that would send gold prices down?
Well, if the Fed actually did the right thing for a change, which I don't think is going to happen, if they stopped the QE, if they started to unwind their balance sheet, if they started to raise interest rates and let the stock market tank, let the real estate market go down, let a natural recession run its course, force the U.S. government to dramatically cut spending and restore, fiscal balance to the U.S. economy to allow a legitimate recovery to ever take place, yeah, then I would get bearish on gold.
Okay.
But as long as the government's going to keep on doing the wrong thing, stimulating consumption and debt and inflating asset bubbles, I'm going to keep on buying gold.
All right, and
so far,
Peter,
that has been the right thing to do. You had 1 year where it didn't work.
Peter, I got to leave it there, but I'm on Twitter now, and I'm following you, and I want to know, right now, we have to leave it there again, just in one word, where are gold prices going from here?
Higher.
Price. No price?
That's one word.
All right. Okay.
You said one word.
All right.
Higher.
Thank you very much. I meant
They're going
price.
A lot higher. Just buy.
All right.
That's
Peter
another
Schiff,
word.
I'll be tracking you. Thank you so much for joining us.
That was a good gold battle.
Okay.
Very good. All right.